Next, fourth Roman, second sum. You want to prove that sin theta plus secant theta the whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta the whole square is equal to 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. Okay, let us take the LHS. So LHS we have sin theta plus secant theta the whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. Okay, so we know the identity a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we are going to apply the identity here. So in this, sin theta plus secant theta the whole square. So a is sin theta and b is secant theta. So our a square become sin square theta plus b square become secant square theta plus 2ab. So 2 into sin theta into secant theta plus once again cos theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. We are going to apply the a plus b the whole square formula. So once again apply it. Here become a is cos theta and b is cosecant theta. So our a square become cos square theta plus b square become cosecant square theta plus 2ab become 2 into cos theta into cosecant theta. Okay, next step. Okay, if you seen means here we have sin square theta and plus cos square theta. We combine sin square theta and cos square theta means it become 1 because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 identity we know. Okay, 1 plus instead of these two, if you combined these two terms, we will get the identity 1. Okay, next plus secant square theta second term as such we can write plus 2 into sin theta 2 sin theta into secant theta. This secant theta we can write 1 by cos theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 cos theta into this cosecant theta instead we can write 1 by sin theta. So which is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus 2 into sin theta by cos theta. This sin theta into 1 by cos theta become 1 into sin theta divided by cos theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 cos theta divided by sin theta because 1 into cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, now 1 plus secant square theta plus 2 into, okay, we can combine these two terms, 2 sin theta by cos theta, here 2 cos theta by sin theta. We can combine means 2 is common. So let us take 2 as commonly outside. It become sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta remaining plus cosecant square theta. Okay, so 1 plus secant square theta. Let us write the cosecant square theta here. So cosecant square theta plus 2 into sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. If we combine these two terms, want to add. So in between we have plus symbol. So let us take the LCM. LCM is cos theta into sin theta. So if we cross multiplied means we will get sin square theta plus cos square theta. That is sin into sin square theta plus cos into cos square theta. Okay, so 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know the identity 1. So 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Okay, which is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. This is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into 1 by cos theta become secant theta and 1 by sin theta become cosecant theta. Now 1 plus secant square theta. Okay, now if we combine means it is secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 secant theta cosecant theta, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab term. We combine these three terms means we will get the a plus b the whole square form. So secant theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. So this is the RHS we want to prove. That's all.